Contanos. Ok, desde No, bisa, claro bisa.
Nos van canta e cantica di amor.
Turini, itarondi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast. Meu nome é Angèle.
Meu nome é Rudina.
Joïm.
And today, nós bringing you new content. We're trying out new things. This is this is video, this is game. Kaya song associations inspired by
L magazine.
Every
magazine.
other thing.
And a lot of YouTubers gonna try this out. So we're not that original, but credit is for those that have done this before. A point of the game is that each of us may have a round kung natin maktikwe un papelito ding ipachi aqui. Ting palawan ng papimento English since we're a published podcast. Anto, but in 20 seconds pa sing un song kuting a word aqui din dyan. Anto, but ting ko say it. So, no, kunta. And at yun, so I keep each person's round ting konteo. And nasa wakta final, king dinos tagana. Tingin excited si Tiebreaker, so I'm quite I'm quite nervous. I'm never been cool because on the spot, the same as Spotify.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
SoundCloud, iTunes, all of them.
Apple
See,
Music.
I also don't have
Pandora.
Samsung stuff, but point is, we're gonna see how this goes. But today, ABC Islanders not out there. I'm really sorry to disappoint y'all today because Papimento songs is not my forte. But we'll see how this goes. So let's head to the video. So we're tied again. I'm going to tied ko 9 points and then let's do speed round. Kuna Rudina to done this award and there's no mali taganele. So yeah.
Let's
Ready?
get it. May the best person win.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Your word is good.
I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
Nice.
I would like to publicly apologize for I don't know, man. It's just not good. Sabi ko, man. Namens OnBrand and namens Angèle, we can publicly apologize for a blunder ko sa causa. Basta pa buscando kantika I'm feeling good or whatever. Couldn't find it, obviously. But so I kantika ta actually not that at all. That's not what it says. You know what I'm saying? Kantika ta bisa otro cosa. Hello. Ole. See. I can take it to be wait. Cue in the sad song. Right. See it to be some feeling hot, no feeling good. Namens OnBrand, namens Angèle, namens me miss really. Rudina at this point. Nos excuses to nos Caribbean compatriota nang. Mas lang na musang down until we will never, you know, not suffer the consequences. Pasandi maki roast nos down in the comments, okay?
Okay.
Point for Angèle.
Yay! See.
Your word is baila.
Baila malo pa sabon. Baila malo pa sabon. Shout out to Josh, Junie, Cool, Juice.
Your word is life.
I say that live. It's only Kevv. You can take the Kevv. Shoot.
You can take.
Live. Live. Sino the vida? No. Life dingers. I don't know what it is. That should be a point. See, that should be a point. Give me that point, bro.
Sure.
Life dingers. I don't know how to start those.
No.
Chiquero va, piensa.
Rudina,
Mita
Rudina,
do na
okay.
a point, pero si upo kanti.
They can take it, Kev.
Si, mita ko lagi numa.
Kev, please, just, you know, sir? Somewhere in you, vicariously through me, busa, binky lyrics na. See the life.
Hindi mo tono siya ng
Tapos sa
Kika to na ta.
No,
contanos. Okay,
tono.
No, bisa, no, claro bisa.
Pitinggali mo.
No pone, wara.
1 hour later.
Esa é da Bahia.
Sí, te melodía, sí.
Yeah.
No, scrap, di novo.
Sí, de live. Sí, un otro.
Pero esta pisa coi, sí, so.
Sí, esta pisa live ding así.
No, esta pisa aceite live.
Esse de live, sí.
Live dinges, esa é da live.
No, pero I'm bisa
Pero
live
okay.
dingers, dus esse também algo que te bisa. That's actually most of his song. He says live dingers. He says
No,
that.
pero mi que me esta pisa parte de song esta pisa aceite live. This I'm gonna give you that point no more. Coração.
No, du cantei.
Sí, pero mi no cantei, no me bisa nerve para mí fall into the song.
Okay.
Una canción, ahora. Corazón. Puta, muestra mi amor. Mira ahí mi señor. Tiene una canción de...
Canta coração.
Pero eu também não sei seguro tu bisa coração, pensei. I can cap, mas eu não conheço tá, como I don't think, yeah.
Shit. Coração. Quando eu digo boy today, mas tinha que ter coração.
Coração da bate, budu. Racata. Mas eu não está contente. Alright, see.
Cancelled.
Hey, look.
Cancelled.
Me não bisa nada, mas kung kanti-kanti ka, me não bisa word. So, anto, you can't cancel me. I ain't got nothing going on. So, it is what it is.
Okay, nossa dos agora.
Let's go!
Let's go. Last two. Que você quer? Pavimento ou inglês?
I don't know, bro.
Que
Shoot.
preferência? Que sou?
I will give you the gift.
Inglês.
I'm thinking about rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Cool shoot.
Bom.
Bom?
Wa que de suona?
Rock, paper, scissors. So, we say, it's like it. Anyway, see?
Okay.
Cool shoot, okay?
Bom.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Pavimento.
Your word is lamang.
Saco din mi país tem lamang. Nasa una elinita.
Damn, sa di playa, may nasa lamang.
This is so. Mita hope it is a punta de mas.
Di no sudo?
Garçons!
Kung,
Grande de garçons!
una di lamang.
Malaga!
Kanti, una ta.
Oh, shit!
Una ta.
Sige.
Sige ta playa, no ta lamang. Sige ta, mapa sabi sa.
Sige.
Playa,
Ay, no,
bonita.
Como você fez
Canta nos voz bancada, grandeza de garçom. Garçom se sol.
Playa na.
No, I know. Neta, a mí pondría no se canta pues a mí.
Cante, no me va.
Yes. Lantanos voz bancanta, grandeza de corazón.
Tan.
Corazón, isla chiquito, barranca de la mar.
Dang, bro. Hey, cut this out. I feel like we both take this L. We all come in third because
Yo, hey, woo!
You don't know.
That's
We're done.
We're Jamaican.
That's it.
We're Jamaican. We don't know that song. We don't know
Yeah, I
that
don't
song.
know,
We're not
bro.
from the island. We don't know that song, Rudina.
Look, man, I don't know what you're talking about, fam. Like, I just.
No,
I'm from the UK, innit? I'm from the UK, innit?
Wagwan, yo.
I'm from UK, innit? It's a
Wagwan.
violent. It's a violent. It's a viol, man. It's a viol. It's a viol. It's a viol.
Wagwan.
Thank you, mas.
You, Mr. Kingston.
Beautiful girl.
From Kingston, yo.
Thank you, mas.
Yes,
Okay.
This is chaotic at this point, but it's also fun, you know.
Your last word is kiss.
Kiss me through the phone. Let's go. Let's go. That's Soldier. That's Big Soldier. Big Draco. Não sei o que eu miss. Magmang mas?
No, bagana, first square.
Yeah.
Say that.
Basta pala puro ayuda, pero di meron
I don't want that pity shit, yo.
Pero sí, this area, magana din bonus round.
Yes. So,
I'll take it.
Rudina, can you come for a second? Let's finish off a episode, guys. Thank you for watching. As you can see, Rudina is the winner of the episode. Second place.
There's no such thing as second.
Third. Point is, we had fun.
Kiri na gana though. It's COVID times. We're not supposed to.
We've been hugging for.
Okay, well.
That is all for the episode. Hope you guys will enjoy a video. Let us know if you want to see more of this type of content, type of videos. Do you think mega knees was aguantando porque aqui nana onde que nós ding screen. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.